The Prime Minister has in fact announced a slew of measures including a vaccination for 18 years and above. Everybody has welcomed that, but it seems politically it has already become a controversy. Rahul Gandhi says, why not free vaccines? Why are you allowing free access, and why is there no policy in terms of regulation for these vaccines?
Do you want me to respond to you, or you do want me to respond to Rahul Gandhi? Rahul Gandhi, I would suggest, should read the press release which was given yesterday. The free vaccine is still available in government hospitals. Let's not confuse. And in order to ramp up the production of vaccine, we have released 4,650 odd crores, which will be given both to Serum and to Bharat Biotech as an advance for supplies till July. So the government is still procuring from them, that it may be available for free for those who want it from the government hospitals, which is what is happening even now. So I will appeal through the media to please completely read all the press release material which was issued yesterday.
Final question to you, ma'am. With the migration that is really happening, migrants are now running away to their homes fearing that there will be another lockdown. What is it that you would like to tell them on behalf of the government of India, especially the scenes that we saw in Delhi yesterday?
From October 2020, we have been engaging with the state governments and ensuring that whatever decision they take, we facilitate and help them so that migrant workers, first of all, are not suffering, and the economy also doesn't suffer, because we want both lives and livelihoods. And from our side, we have very clearly said that last year, when lockdown was announced, India didn't have PPE kits, India did not have ventilators, India did not have proper arrangement even for distribution of materials, and definitely there was no vaccine. Now with all these available, we hope that we can handle the corona second wave through micro-containment zones and a better facilitation for migrant laborers. And that is why I have said Union government may not be in favor of a lockdown of that kind across the country, because we have to make sure lives are protected and the economy is not arrested.